So, hi everyone, my name is Ravish and I teach philosophy and literature. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do some MCQs on George Bernard Shaw. अब देखो G.B. Shaw बहुत ही important writer हैं. He is one of the seminal dramatist of let's say late Victorian and early modernism. यहाँ से बहुत सारी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं क्योंकि इनकी जो वर्क है वहाँ से मतलब उसमें फिलोसॉफिकल इंटीग्रेशन है, तो इसलिए यहाँ से क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. एंड वी आर फोकस्ड ऑन JKPSC एंड BPSC सिलेबस, तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस बनने की उम्मीद बहुत ज़्यादा है. और हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि प्रीवियस ईयर MCQs प्लस जितनी भी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं G.B. शॉ के लाइफ से रिलेटेड या इनके वर्क से रिलेटेड, हम लोग इसमें सारे के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर करेंगे. And if you're new to this channel, then do consider subscribing so that I can bring more such content for you. Along with that, you can also join my Telegram channel, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं डाल दूंगा. Now, before we begin, there is one more announcement that I want to make. Is from next month onwards, जो कि सितंबर होने वाला है, तो सितंबर से 1 सितंबर से लेके पूरे अक्टूबर तक एटलीस्ट मैं 50 वीडियोस बनाऊंगा लिटरेरी थ्योरी एंड क्रिटिज्म के ऊपर एंड कल्चर स्टडीज़ के ऊपर. वैसे मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस लिटरेरी थ्योरी एंड क्रिटिज्म पे बना रखा है. इफ़ यू हैवंट सीन दोज वीडियोस देन डू कंसीडर चेकिंग दैट आउट एज वेल. लेकिन मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि देखो UGC नेट ने अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 30 क्वेश्चंस इस बार लिटरेरी थ्योरी क्रिटिज्म एंड कल्चर स्टडीज से पूछा है. तो मैं फोकस करने वाला हूँ कि क्योंकि देखो, अगर इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर UGC नेट या फिर आपका फोकस है JRF इस बार, तो दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. और जो आने वाला सीरीज़ है वो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाला है, क्योंकि उसमें मैं मिशेल फुको से लेके जितने भी कल्चरल स्टडीज़ हैं, कल्चरल क्रिटिक हैं, जितने भी फिलोसफर्स हैं, जितने भी 1950s के बाद के थिंकर्स हैं, उन सब पे एक एक करके उनके एक एक इंडिविजुअल वर्क को जो इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिटरेरी थ्योरी एंड क्रिटिज्म और कल्चरल स्टडीज़ के लिए, उसके ऊपर मैं वीडियोज़ बनाने वाला हूँ. तो डू कंसिडर शेयरिंग विथ योर फ्रेंड्स जिसको लगता है कि आप हेल्प कर सकते हो, या फिर लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. तो चलिए विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ पे. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन कहता है, what is the subtitle of G.B. Shaw's play Mrs. Warren's Profession? Now, please do remember that subtitle से क्वेश्चंस बहुत पूछे जाते हैं, चाहे UGC नेट हो, JKPSC हो, किसी भी PCS एग्जाम में. अभी जैसे हरियाणा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन का एग्जाम हुआ था, उसमें भी सबटाइटल पूछा गया था. तो जितने भी एग्जाम्स होते हैं उसमें सबटाइटल पूछा ही जाता है. तो ऑप्शन ये कहता है कि अ कॉमेडी ऑफ मोरालिटी, एन अनप्लेजेंट प्ले, अ प्लेजेंट प्ले, या फिर अ प्ले ऑफ प्यूरिटन्स. तो राइट आंसर इज अनप्लेजेंट प्ले. बी इज द राइट आंसर. वन मोर थिंग, G.B. शॉ के प्लेस को दो डिवीजन में बांटी जा सकती है, एक प्लेजेंट प्ले, दूसरा अनप्लेजेंट प्ले. सिंपल है, अनप्लेजेंट प्ले का मतलब ये अनप्लेजर है ना, जहां पे आपको इजी सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा, जहां पे सोसाइटी की जो कह सकते हैं कि सीरियस प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, है ना, उसको एज इट इज दिखाना. जैसे द आइडिया ऑफ, या फिर कह सकते हैं कि जैसे प्रोस्टिट्यूशन है, या फिर सोशल कन्वेंशन है, या फिर लैंडलॉर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा प्रताड़ित करते हैं लोगों को. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस, इस तरह के जो सिचुएशंस होते हैं उसके ऊपर बहुत इन्होंने लिखा है. तो दीज प्लेज आर नोन एज अनप्लेजेंट प्ले, जहाँ पे आपको अनप्लेजेंट फीलिंग होगी, है ना. आपकी एंडिंग जो है ना वो एक तरह से ईजी सॉल्यूशन नहीं देगा, लाइफ काफ़ी हार्श दिखाई जाएगी, तो उसको बोले गए अनप्लेजेंट प्ले. एंड देयर इज अनदर विच इज़ अ प्लेजेंट प्ले, जिसके अंदर कहानी बहुत सिंपल होगा, नो ईजी, मतलब वहाँ पे ईजी सॉल्यूशन दी जाएगी, है ना. अब देखो, कुछ कुछ प्लेजेंट प्ले हैं, कुछ कुछ अनप्लेजेंट प्ले हैं. शुरुआत के जो वर्क्स हैं ना वो अनप्लेजेंट प्लेज हैं, उसके बाद प्लेजेंट प्लेज हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, बस याद रखना है आपको, जैसे विंड ओवर्स हाउस 1892 में पब्लिश हुई थी, ये एक अनप्लेजेंट प्ले है. उसी तरीके से मिसेस वॉरेंस प्रोफेशन ये भी अनप्लेजेंट प्ले है ना. जैसे एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, द फिलेलैंडर LALANDRER, ये भी क्या है, अनप्लेजेंट प्ले है. और उसके बाद बाकी जितने भी वर्क्स हैं वो सारे के सारे प्लेजेंट प्ले हैं. जैसे आर्म्स एंड मैन हो गया, कैंडिडा हो गया, यू नेवर कैन टेल हो गया, ये सारे के सारे प्लेजेंट प्ले हैं. तो प्लीज डू रीड इट आउट. आप सारे प्लेजेंट प्ले को अच्छे से रख लेना, सारे अनप्लेजेंट प्ले को अच्छे से रख लेना. और जैसे पिगमिलियन हो गया, ये यहाँ से एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस बनने की बहुत उम्मीद है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कहता है, इन मिसेस वॉरेंस प्रोफेशन व्हाट इज विविस प्रोफेशन एट द एंड ऑफ द प्ले. वीवी का क्या प्रोफेशन होता है लास्ट में? अ कर्टसन होती है, लॉयर होती है, मैथमेटिशियन होती है, या फिर एन एक्यूटरी होती है. तो राइट आंसर इज डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कहता है, Who is the cynical and disillusioned doctor in Saw's The Doctor's Dilemma, who believes that all people are equally bad and that he should only save his friend? Option A, Dr. Blankenshop. Option B, Sir Patrick Cullen. Option C, Sir Colenso Redrigon. या फिर ऑप्शन डी लुइस डेबडट. व्हाट वुड बी द राइट आंसर? 3 का सी, सर कॉलिंसो रेडिकॉन. ठीक है, सी इज द राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन 4 कहता है, क्वेश्चन 4 कहता है, द डॉक्टर्स डायलेमा, द टाइटल रेफर्स टू सर कॉलेंसो Redigon's ethical choice between saving a brilliant but morally corrupt artist or a mediocre but virtuous doctor, a rich patient or a poor one, his reputation or his integrity, या फिर the life of patient or his own career. तो right answer is A, a brilliant but morally corrupt artist और a mediocre but virtuous doctor को मतलब चॉइस था उनके पास किसको सेव करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Major Barbara explores the conflict between idealistic morality and patriarchal necessity. Who is the munition magnate in this play? Stephen Undershaft, Adolphe Cuisine, Andrew Undershaft या फिर Charles Lomax. तो right answer is Andrew Undershaft. C is the right answer. Question number 6. In Major Barbara, what is the full name of the organization Major Barbara works for? क्या नाम था? द क्रिश्चियन मिशन, द साल्वेशन लीग, द आर्मी एंड द लॉर्ड या फिर द साल्वेशन आर्मी. राइट आंसर इज डी, द साल्वेशन आर्मी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. पिगमिलियन इज अ मॉडर्न रिटेलिंग ऑफ अ क्लासिकल मिथ. हु इज द प्रोफेसर ऑफ फोनेटिक्स इन द प्ले? अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, पिगमिलियन को अच्छे से पढ़ना, इसके कैरेक्टर्स को पढ़ना, बहुत छोटा सा वर्क है ना. क्लोनियल पिकरिंग, अल्फ्रेड डुलिटल, हेनरी हिगिंग बॉटम या फिर हेनरी हिगिंग्स. तो प्रोफेसर का क्या नाम होता है? हु इज द प्रोफेसर ऑफ फोनेटिक्स? हेनरी हिगिंग्स. डी इज द राइट आंसर, जो कि इलाइजा डोलिटल को सिखाता है फोनेटिक्स के बारे में या फिर प्रोनाउंसिएशन सिखाता है हाई क्लास वुमेन के बारे में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 कहता है, इन पिगमिलियन व्हाट इज द प्रोफेसर ऑफ इलाइजा डोलिटल्स फादर? व्हाट इज द प्रोफेशन ऑफ इलाइजा डोलिटल्स फादर अल्फ्रेड डोलिटल? ये ऑलरेडी यूजीसी नेट में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है. अ डुशमैन, अ स्ट्रीट स्वीपर, अ फ्लावर गर्ल या फिर अ बुक सेलर. तो राइट आंसर इज अ डुशमैन. ए इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 कहता है कि हु इज द हिस्टोरिकल फिगर सेंट्रल टू द प्लॉट ऑफ Saw's St. John? Mary Queen of Scots, Joan of Arc, Elizabeth I, Catherine of the Great. Again, it's quite easy. Right answer is Joan of Arc. B is the right answer. Central figure, historical figure कौन था? GB Saw के St. John से Joan of Arc. B is the right answer. Question number 10 कहते हैं, in St. John, which English officer initially believes John to be a witch, but in later convinced of her military genius? The Earl of Warwick, the Inquisitor, रॉबर्ट डी बॉड्रिकॉट एंड द डॉफिन. क्या होगा राइट आंसर? रॉबर्ट डी बॉड्रिकॉट. सी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन 11. Saw's play Caesar and Cleopatra is a history play that interprets the characters. What animal does Caesar actually kill that he believes has a soul? A lion, camel, cat, sphinx. किसको मारता है? कौन से एनिमल को सीजर मारता है and he believes that he had a soul or it had a soul? तो राइट आंसर होगा a sphinx. D is the right answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 कहते हैं कि in Caesar and Cleopatra, Saw portrays Caesar as a ruthless conqueror but as a wise elderly statesman who realizes on intellect over force, a young impulsive lover, a brute tyrant या फिर a cynical and disillusioned politician. क्या होगा राइट आंसर? A wise elderly statesman who realizes on intellect over force. A is the right answer. Question number 13. The play Man and Superman is subtitled A Comedy and a Philosophy. The third act, titled Don Juan is in Hell, is often considered the philosophical core of the play. It takes place where? In a garden, at a wedding, in a drawing room on a hill in Spain, या फिर as a dream sequence. What would be the right answer? In a drawing room on a hill in Spain. C is the right answer. Question number 14 कहता है कि in Man and Superman, who is the main character who personifies the life force in the play in the play's philosophy? Tanner, Anna Whitefield, Violet Robinson या फिर John Tanner. What would be the right answer? John Tanner. D is the right answer. Question number 15. What is the title of the long prefatory essay to Man and Superman? The Revolutionist Handbook, The Philosopher's Guide, The Modern Man's Manifesto, या फिर The New Modality? क्या होगा right answer? The Revolutionist Handbook. A is the right answer. Question number 16. Which of Shaw's play is a satire on the medical profession and its self-serving ethical dilemmas? Option A, Major Barbara. Option B, Pygmalion. Option D, The Doctor's Dilemma. And option D, St. John. Right answer is The Doctor's Dilemma. C is the right answer. Question number 17. Arms and the Man is a comedy that satirizes the romantic ideal of love, war, money, family. What would be the right answer? It's about war. B is the right answer. Question number 18. In Arms and the Man, what does the mercenary soldier, Captain Bulsil, carry instead of ammunition? Chocolate creams, a book of poems, gold coins, a map of the battlefield. The right answer is chocolate creams. A is the right answer. In Mrs. Warren's Profession, what is the relationship between Vivi and Frank Gardner? They are engaged to be married, they are cousins, they are half siblings, या फिर they are a business partner. Right answer is they are half siblings. C is the right answer. Question number 20. कहता है Shaw's Heartbreak House is a satirical play that compares the state of European society before World War I to a blustering factory, to a well-oiled machine, a sinking ship, या फिर a ruined castle. Right answer is a ruined castle. D is the right answer. Question number 21. In Heartbreak House, who is the character who symbolizes the old, impractical and chaotic English society? Option A, Captain Shortover, Hector Husby, Mazzini Dunn, या फिर Ellie Dunn. What would be the right answer? Captain Shortover. A is the right answer. Question number 22. The unpleasant plays in Shaw's collection deal with social problems that includes Major Barbara and Pygmalion, Mrs. Warren's Profession and Philander, Candida and Arms and the Man, The Doctor's Dilemma and Man and Superman. काफी इजी है, अभी मैंने बताया. 22 का right answer B. Miss Warren's Profession and the Philander. These two works are called unpleasant play. Question number 23. Which play features a character who proposes to a woman not for love but for her money and social standing? Mrs. Warren's Profession, Man and Superman, The Philander, या फिर Windover's House. Right answer is C, Philander. Question number 24. कहता है Shaw's Widower's House is an attack on the banking industry, landlords and slum tenants, tenements, या फिर political system, या फिर military establishment. तो राइट आंसर इज बी, लैंडलॉर्ड एंड द स्लम टेनेंट्स. इसलिए ये फेमस है, लैंडलॉर्ड के ऊपर क्रिटिसाइज करता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. द प्ले कैंडिडा रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड अ लव ट्रायंगल बिटवीन क्रिश्चियन सोशलिस्ट क्लर्जीमैन, हिज वाइफ एंड अ यंग सोल्जर, पोएट, डॉक्टर या फिर पॉलिटिशियन. व्हाट वुड बी द राइट आंसर? बी, पोएट. है ना, वाइफ, यंग पोएट और क्लर्जीमैन, इस तीनों के बीच में लव ट्रायंगल चलता है द प्ले कैंडिडा के अंदर. ठीक है, 25 का बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहता है इन कैंडिडा द टाइटल कैरेक्टर कैंडिडा हैज टू चूज बिटवीन हर हस्बैंड एंड द यंग मैन. व्हाट इज हर फाइनल डिसीजन बेस्ड ऑन? कैंडिडा फाइनली क्या डिसीजन लेती है एंड में? अ फीलिंग ऑफ maternal protection for her husband whom she sees as weaker, a desire to follow her heart, the young man's great intellect prowess, या फिर the husband's greater financial stability. 26 का right answer, a feeling of maternal protection for her husband whom she sees a weaker. A is the right answer. Question number 27. The play The Devil's Disciple is a set during which historical conflict? फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के बीच में सेट किया गया है, नेपोलियन वॉर्स के बीच में, द अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस के बीच में, या फिर द इंग्लिश सिविल वॉर के बीच में. तो राइट आंसर इज द अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस के बीच में सेट की गई है. सी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. इन द डेविल्स डिसाइपल हु इज द टाइटल कैरेक्टर एन एथिस्ट हु अनएक्सपेक्टेडली एक्ट्स एज अ क्राइस्ट लाइक फिगर? रिचर्ड डंजन, जनरल बर्गोइन, एंथनी एंडरसन या फिर मिसेस डंजन. क्या होगा राइट आंसर 28 का? ए इज द राइट आंसर, रिचर्ड. Question number 29. Major Barbara is often considered a critique of the notion that poverty is a virtue and result of moral failure, where it can be solved through charity alone, is necessary evil in the society, या फिर is a result of hard work. The right answer is a virtue and a result of moral failure. A is the right answer. Question number 30. In Pygmalion, Professor Higgins' attitude towards Eliza is best described as romantic, paternal, cynical या फिर scientific. Right answer is scientific. D is the right answer. है ना? Question number 31 कहते हैं which character in Pygmalion is a linguist who studies dialect and is concerned with proper pronunciation? Right answer Colonial Pickering, Henry Higgins, Alfred Doolittle या फिर Eliza Doolittle. Right answer is Henry Higgins. B is the right answer. है ना? Question number 32 कहता है Pygmalion's ending is a significant departure from the romantic comedy. It often appears to be Shaw's insisted on the ending where Eliza does not marry Higgins, marries Freddie या फिर marries Colonial Pickering या फिर becomes a successful duchess. What would be the right answer? Does not marry Higgins. A is the right answer. Question number 33 कहता है St. John portrays John's trial and execution, which Shaw presents as a tragedy of religious fanaticism, political optimism, social class and ignorance, या फिर all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Religious fanaticism भी है, political opportunism भी है, या फिर social class and ignorance भी है. Question number 34. In St. John, the Inquisitor speech argues that heresy is the most dangerous of all crime because it threatens the power of the church, destroys the social order, leads to eternal damnation या फिर undermines faith and authority. The right answer is undermines faith and authority. D is the right answer. Question number 35. The character of Major Barbara under Shafts rejects her family wealth and joins the Salvation Army. She is a symbol of idealistic purity, unwavering faith, cynicism या materialism. The right answer is idealistic purity. 35 का right answer A. Question number 36 कहता है in Major Barbara the final conflict is over whether the Salvation Army should accept money from a corrupt politician, a whiskey distiller and the munitions or manufacturer, the Church of England या फिर a trade union. Right answer is a whiskey distiller and a munitions manufacturer. B is the right answer. 37. Shaw's concept of the life force is most prominent in which play? The Doctor's Dilemma, Major Barbara, Man and Superman या फिर St. John. 73 का राइट आंसर मैन एंड सुपरमैन. प्लीज डू रीड दिस बुक मैन एंड सुपरमैन. बहुत ही फेमस वर्क है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क है. दिस इज अ फिलोसॉफिकल वर्क. Question number 38. Man and Superman is modern day take on which classical figure? Prometheus, Don Quixote, Don Juan या फिर डॉक्टर मतलब फॉस्टर्स. 38 का राइट आंसर Don Juan. C. Question number 39. The play Getting Married is a comedy that satirizes the political system, the institution of marriage, the legal system, the education system. The right answer is B, the institution of marriage. Question number 40. Androcles and the Lion is a satirical play that addresses the theme of the nature of heroism, religious hypocrisy and the true meaning of faith, political power, animal rights. Right answer is religious hypocrisy and the true meaning of the faith. B is the right answer. Question 41 कहता है in Androcles and the lion, who is the tailor who is extract a throne from a lion's paw? The emperor, Androcles, the Christian, the gladiator. क्या होगा right answer 41 का? Androcles. B is the right answer. Question 42. G.B. Shaw's play The Apple Cart is a political satire that critiques the concept of democracy, monarchy, capitalism या फिर anarchy. Right answer होगा monarchy. B is the right answer. Question number 43. In The Apple Cart, what is the king's main struggle? He wants to abdicate his throne. He wants to have absolute power. Option C. He wants to retain his personal authority against the democratic government and he wants to marry an American woman. Right answer is He wants to retain his personal authority against democratic government. So C is the right answer. Question number 44. Which play's plot revolves around the idea that a man's love for a woman is a trap set by life force to ensure the continuation of human species? Option A, Major Barbara. Option B, St. John. Option C, Man and Superman. Option D, The Doctor's Dilemma. The right answer is Man and Superman. C is the right answer. जहां भी life force दिखे, make sure that it is a Man and Superman. Question number 45. The play, Fanny's First Play, is a comedy that satirizes the English class system, the conventions of theatrical criticism. Option C, Victorian morality. And option D, the institution of marriage. The right answer is the convention of theoretical criticism. B is the right answer. Question number 46. In Fanny's First Play, what is the central question that critic debate? Whether the play is a comedy or a tragedy, whether the playwright is a man or a woman, whether the play is a satire of upper class or the lower class. Option D, whether the play is a success or a failure. Right answer is whether the play is a comedy or a tragedy. A is the right answer. Question number 47. Shaw's John Bull's Other Island is a commentary on the political and cultural relationship between France and England, Germany and England, Ireland and England, America and England. The right answer is Ireland and England. C is the right answer. Question number 48. कहता है the character of Reverend Morel in Candida is a representation of the new man of the 20th century, the flawed ideal of Christian socialism, a self-absorbed artist, a cynical and manipulative character. The right answer होगा the flawed ideal of Christian socialism. B is the right answer. Now, question number 49. कहता है You Never Can Tell is a comedy that features a clash between new modern ideas and old Victorian values. The title suggests that love is always unpredictable. Option B, society is always changing. Option C, life is a series of coincidences. And option D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Question number 50. In You Never Can Tell, who is the head of the Clarendon family, a prominent feminist who lectures on women rights? Gloria Clarendon, Dolly Clarendon, Mrs. Clarendon या फिर Dr. Clarendon? The right answer is Mrs. Clarendon. C is the right answer. Question number 51. Shaw's Pygmalion was later adapted into a successful musical titled My Fair Lady, The Sound of Music, Oklahoma या फिर Singing in the Rain. Right answer is My Fair Lady. A is the right answer. Question number 52. In Mrs. Warren's Profession, the main conflict is between Vivi's desire for independent, respectable life and her mother's financial success built on prostitution, desire for Vivi's to marry a rich man, option C, religious beliefs, and option D, political ambitions. Right answer is financial success built on a prostitution. A is the right answer. Question number 53. Who is the character in Mrs. Warren's Profession who represents the moral hypocrisy of the upper class, pretending to be a gentleman while profiting from Mrs. Warren's business? कौन था? फ्रैंक गार्डनर, सर जॉर्ज कॉर्फ्स या फिर मिसेस प्रेड या फिर रेवरेंड सैमुअल गार्डनर? राइट आंसर इज सर जॉर्ज क्रॉफ्स. बी इज द राइट आंसर. 53 का बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 54. The play Fanny's First Play contains a framing device involving a group of theatre critics, a family reunion, a court trial, a debate on political theory. Right answer is a group of theatre critics. A is the right answer. Question number 55. Back to Methuselah is a 5-part play cycle that presents Shaw's theory of creative evaluation, social Darwinism, the life force या फिर the new morality. The right answer is creative evaluation. Evolution. A is the right answer. Question number 56. The central argument of Back to Methuselah is that humans can live longer and achieve a higher level of intelligence if they eat a vegetarian diet, abandon modern technology, या फिर will themselves to do so, या फिर return to nature. 56 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा will themselves to do so. C is the right answer. Question number 57. In The Devil's Discipline, what is General Burgion's famous line that encapsulates his cynical and witty worldview? Hell is a city much like London. An Englishman, even when he is a soldier, is a gentleman. At heart, a gentleman. The most dangerous man in the one who has nothing to lose. या फिर war is a game of chance. तो right answer होगा an Englishman, even when he is a soldier, is a heart of gentleman. B is the right answer. Question number 58. कहता है Shaw's use of pleasant play in titles like Arms and Man and Candida is ironic because these plays features unpleasant characters, are not comedies, challenge conventional social and moral norms, या फिर have a tragic ending. Right answer is challenges conventional social and moral norms. C is the right answer. Question number 59. In The Doctor's Dilemma, the phrase art for art's sake is the theme often associated with the character Sir Patrick Cullen, Sir Ralph Bloomfield Bonington या फिर लुइस ड्यूबडट या फिर डॉक्टर बेलिंगसॉप. What would be the right answer? C is the right answer, Louis Debdart. Question number 60. Who is the character in Major Barbara who believes that the greatest of evil is poverty? Major Barbara, Adolph's cousin, Andrew Undershaft या फिर Stephen Undershaft. Right answer is Andrew Undershaft. C is the right answer. जिसने विश्वास किया कि the greatest evil is poverty. Poverty से बड़ी कोई evil नहीं है. And this is quite true अगर philosophically भी देखा जाए तो. Saint John ends with an epilogue where John returns to life for a moment. This epilogue primarily purpose is to suggest that John is timeless, prophetic figure, provide a happy ending for the audience, recreate the historical facts of her life या फिर allow John to forgive her torments. 61 का right answer is A. Suggests that John is timeless, a prophetic figure. A is the right answer. 62. In Pygmalion, the character of Colonel Pickering is best described as the antagonist, the comic relief character, a romantic interest, या फिर a good-hearted foil of Higgins. Right answer is a good-hearted foil to Higgins. D is the right answer. D. 62 का D. Question number 63. Which of the following play is not considered one of Shaw's unpleasant plays? Windover's House, The Philanderer, The Warren's Profession, Arms and Man. Right answer is not considered Shaw's unpleasant play. तो मतलब प्लेजेंट प्ले की बात कर रहा है. कौन कौन सा प्लेजेंट प्ले है? आर्म्स एंड मैन प्लेजेंट प्ले है. तो ऑब्वियस बात है डी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64 कहता है The Millionaires features a woman who inherits a vast fortune. The play is a satire on the power of money and the capitalist system, the nature of marriage, the role of women in society, the hypocrisy of religion. Right answer is A. A woman of money and a capitalist system. Question number 65 कहता है कि in The Millionaires, what is the profession of the character Epiphania Fitzgerald's husband? A lawyer, doctor, businessman या फिर an athlete? Right answer is an athlete. D is the right answer. Question number 66. GB Shaw's The Apple Cart is often seen as a warning about the danger of an unchecked powerful government, a weak, ineffective monarch, option C, a socialist revolution, and option D, a capitalist economy. The right answer is an unchecked powerful government. Question number 67. Which of Shaw's play featured a character named Blunchel, a Swiss mercenary who brings a pragmatic and anti-romantic view of war? Major Barbara, The Devil's Discipline, Caesar and Cleopatra, and Arms and Man. Right answer is Arms and Man. D is the right answer. Question number 68. The play The Doctor's Dilemma is often praised for its realistic portrayal of the ethical challenges in the medical profession. Option B, the art world in the early 20th century, the corrupting influence of wealth, and option D, the love of a mother for her child. The right answer is the ethical challenges in the medical profession. A is the right answer. Question number 69. In Mrs. Warren's profession, Mrs. Warren's choice to enter prostitution is portrayed as a moral failing, a result of her own greed, a rational economic decision in patriarchal society, and option D, an unavoidable consequences of her upbringing. Right answer is the rational economic decision in a patriarchal society. C is the right answer. Now question number 70 कहता है Candida is a play that challenges the traditional Victorian idea of marriage as a sacred institution, a woman's role as a homemaker, a man's role as a provider, या फिर the importance of family. The right answer is marriage as a sacred institution. A is the right answer. Question number 71. In Major Barbara, the character Adolphe's Cuisine is a professor of Greek, Latin, history या फिर literature. Right answer is Greek. Greek का professor होता है. Next question number 72. Who is the character in Pygmalion who initially believes that Eliza is a fake but later becomes a defender of her social position? Henry Higgins, Alfred Doolittle, Mrs. Pierce या फिर Colonel Pickering. 72 का right answer Colonel Pickering. D is the right answer. Question number 73. The epilogue of St. John is set in a battlefield, the future centuries after her death, the court of Dauphin या फिर a cathedral. Right answer is 73 का right answer. The future centuries after her death. B is the right answer. Question number 74. Shaw's play The Doctor's Dilemma is considered a tragedy because the brilliant artist Louis Debate dies. Dr. Redigon is exposed as a fraud. The medical profession is revealed as a fraud. The love story between Jennifer and Louis is cut short. Right answer is the brilliant artist Louis Debate dies. A is the right answer. Question number 75. Heartbreak House ends with a scene in which the character finds a way to save their ship. The characters commit suicide. Option C, the characters are bombed, suggesting that the end of an era. And option D, the characters are saved by a hero. Right answer is a character are bombed, suggesting the end of an era. C is the right answer. Question number 76. In Arms and Man, the soldier Captain Bluntschill is a foil in the hero Surgeons because Bluntschill is a pragmatic realist, while Sargius is a romantic idealist. Option B, a crowd, while Surgeon is a coward, while Surgeon is a hero. A liar, while Sergius is an honest. Sergius है a fool, which Sergius is intelligent. Right answer क्या होगा 76 का? A pragmatic realist, while Sergius is a romantic idealist. E is the right answer. Question number 77. What is the central philosophical question posed by the play Man and Superman? The nature of love and marriage, the relationship between art and life, the evolution of human species, and the morality of war. Right answer is the evolution of human species. C is the right answer. Question number 78. Who is the central character in Pygmalion who is a professor of phonetics? अगेन थोड़ा डिफरेंट करके क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. अल्फ्रेड डोलिटल, कॉलोनियल पिकरिंग, हेनरी हिगिंस, एलिजा डोलिटल. काफी इजी है. सी इज द राइट आंसर हेनरी हिगिंस. Question number 79. The term Shavian is used to describe a style of acting, the type of wit humor, particularly in literature, the type of philosophical thought, या फिर a form of social criticism. Right answer is a type of humor, मतलब wit and humor, particularly in literature. B is the right answer. Shavian. Question number 80. कहता है GB Shaw's Mrs. Warren's profession was initially banned in England due to its controversial subject matter. What was the specific reason for the ban? It addressed the topic of prostitution in frank and non-judgmental way. It was seen as an attack on the government. It was seen as a defense of immoral behavior, and it was seen as an attack on the church. Right answer is it addressed the topic of prostitution in a frank and non-judgmental way. A is the right answer. जो कि taboo topic था, इसलिए इनको बैन करना, मतलब सोसाइटी ने बैन कर दिया. Question number 81. In St. John, the central conflict is not a simple one of good versus evil, but a tragic clash between individuals, genius and established authority, religious faith and political power. Option C, the church and the military. Option D, a woman and a man. Right answer is individual genius and established authority. A is the right answer. Question number 82. Who is the character in Major Barbara who says the greatest of all evil is poverty? It is a crime. अभी हमने किया था एंड्रयू अंडरशाफ्ट, मेजर बारबरा, एडल्फ क्यूजिन या फिर स्टीफन अंडरशाफ्ट. Right answer is Andrew Undershaft. A is the right answer. Question number 83. The play The Apple Cart features a king who is a wise intellectual figure. He is a foil to his prime minister who is a pompous and a foolish politician, a ruthless dictator, a strong and effective leader, a kind of generous man. 83 का right answer, a pompous and a foolish politician. A is the right answer. Question number 84. कहता है in Doctor's Dilemma, the phrase the Doctor's Dilemma is a term used by the character Sir Patrick Cullen, Dr. Blankenshop, Louis Debudet या फिर Sir Collishaw Redrigon. What would be the right answer? Sir Colonial Redrigon. D is the right answer. Question number 85. कहता है Heartbreak House is considered a symbolic play. The ship at the heart of the play is a symbol for the journey of life, the British Empire, the European civilization before the war, या फिर the human soul. Right answer is the European civilization before the war. C is the right answer. Question number 86. Which of the following play is a satirical take on the traditional romantic comedy featuring a character who believes in the life force that pushes man and woman together? Major Barbara, Pygmalion, Man and Superman, आर्म्स एंड द मैन. ऊपर थोड़ा मैंने क्वेश्चन ऊपर हमने क्वेश्चन किया था अभी इसी के सिमिलर. तो राइट आंसर क्या होगा 86 का? मैन एंड सुपरमैन. सी इज द राइट आंसर. इन मैन एंड सुपरमैन द डॉन वन इन हेल सीक्वेंस इज अ प्रेजेंटेड एज अ ड्रीम, फ्लैशबैक, सॉलिलिकी या फिर डायलॉग के फॉर्म में. राइट आंसर इज ड्रीम के फॉर्म में. ए इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. द कैरेक्टर ऑफ मिसेस वॉरेन इन Mrs. Warren's profession is a complex figure. She is portrayed as a villain, tragic victim, calculating businesswoman या फिर all of the above. तो राइट आंसर इज डी. विलन भी देखा गया है उसको, ट्रैजिक विक्टिम भी देखा गया है उसको, कैलकुलेटिंग बिजनेस वुमन भी देखा गया है. तो तीनों ही राइट आंसर होंगे. ऑप्शन 89 कहता है जीबी सॉल्स सीजर एंड क्लेपेट्रा रीइंटरप्रेट्स द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द टू हिस्टोरिकल फिगर एज दैट ऑफ अ टीचर एंड प्यूपल, द रोमांटिक कपल, द टायरेंट एंड अ स्लेव या फिर द राइवल ऑफ कंपिटिटर. तो 89 का राइट आंसर अ टीचर एंड प्यूपल. ए इज द राइट आंसर. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 कहता है इन पिग्मिलियन द प्ले एंडिंग फेमसली लीव्स इलाइजा मैरिड टू हिगिंस, अनडिसाइडेड ऑन हर फ्यूचर, अ सक्सेसफुल डचेस या फिर रीयूनाइट विद हर फादर. राइट आंसर इज अनडिसाइडेड ऑन हर फ्यूचर. बी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 का बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. The play Candida challenges the conventional role of a husband and wife by portraying the wife as the weaker partner, the intellectual superior, the emotional foundation of the marriage, या फिर the more romantic of the two. The right answer is the intellectual superior. Intellectual superior. C is the right answer. Question number 92. कहता है the pleasant plays of Shaw's collection, such as Arms and Man and Candida, are often characterized by their use of comic inversion and traditional morality, realistic and unvarnished portrayal of social problems, overt political commentary, a simple, unadorned prose style. The right answer is comic inversion of traditional morality. A is the right answer. Question number 93. कहता है the character of Captain Bluntshill is in Arms and Man is a foil in the romantic hero Sergius because Bluntshill believes war is a matter of business, not glory, is a coward who runs from battle, is a liar who cannot be trusted, is a romantic idealist. The right answer is believes war is a matter of business, not glory. Question number 94. In Pygmalion, what is the name of the professor who is an expert in the profanities? ये question repeat हो गया है. Right answer है Henry Higgins. C is the right answer. एक मिनट. Question number 95. कहता है The Major Barbara is a play that explores the idea that charity is a temporary solution that does not address the root cause of poverty, a necessary evil, the only way to solve social problems, and a virtue. The right answer is a temporary solution that does not address a root cause of poverty. A is the right answer. Question number 96. The epilogue of St. John features the Dauphin Charles VII, who is haunted by his decision to betray and abandon John, abandon his crown या फिर marry a different woman या फिर go to war. तो 96 का राइट आंसर होगा betray and abandon John. A is the right answer. Question number 97. The play Doctor's Dilemma is often considered a critique of the corrupting influence of power, the inherent selfishness of human nature, the inability of science to solve all humanity problems, या फिर option D, the medical profession claim to infallibility. The right answer is D, the medical profession claim infallibility. D is the right answer, 97 का. Question number 98. In A Man and Superman, the life force is best described as a spiritual divine force, a biological drive to procreate and evolve, a philosophical concept that governs human destiny, या फिर a political and social forces. The right answer is a biological drive to procreate and evolve. B is the right answer. Question number 98 का B. Question number 99. कहता है the play Caesar and Cleopatra contrast Caesar's intellect and foresight with Cleopatra, youthful impulsiveness and emotionally, political cunning and ambition, lack of intelligence या फिर cynicism. Right answer is youthful, impulsive and emotionality. A is the right answer. Question number 100. कहता है which is the character in Major Barbara who is a professor of Greek and is engaged to Barbara? Andrew Undershafts, Stephen Undershafts, Adolph's Cuisine या फिर Charles Lomax. The right answer is Adolph's Cuisine. C is the right answer. Question number 101. In Mrs. Warren's profession, what is the name of Mrs. Warren's business partner and an old family friend? Sir George Crofts, Revered Samuel Gardner, Frank Gardner या फिर Mr. Pratt. क्या होगा right answer? A is the right answer. Sir George Crofts. Question number 102. The play Arms and the Man is set during the Serbo-Bulgarian War of 1885, 1890, 1900 या फिर 1914. The right answer is 1885. A is the right answer. Question number 103. कहता है in St. John, what is the charge brought against John by the church? ट्रीजन का चार्ज लगा था, विचक्राफ्ट का चार्ज लगा था, हेरेसी का चार्ज लगा था या फिर ब्लास्फेमी का चार्ज लगा था, है ना? राइट आंसर इज हेरेसी का चार्ज लगा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 104 कहता है who is the main character in the Devil's Discipline who is a hero in spite of his beliefs? George Burgoyne, Anthony Anderson, Richard Dungeon या फिर मिसेस Dungeon. The right answer is C, Richard Dungeon. Question number 105 and the last question. In Pygmalion, Eliza is described as being of the gutter. What does this phrase most directly refer to? Her poverty, her speech, her social class या फिर her lack of education? The right answer is her speech. B is the right answer. Well, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, then do consider sharing. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.